everybody. Okay, I'm going to make a celebration birthday cake today. If you come over here, I will show you on this screen what ingredients you need and what equipment you need in order to make it. So, for one cake, you need 100 grams of butter, 100 grams of caster sugar, 2 medium eggs, 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, 100 grams of self-raising flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. That's if you're going to turn your birthday cake chocolatey. Next, you need to get ready your equipment. As well as getting an apron on and cleaning down your surfaces, you need to get a mixing bowl, some scales, a mixing spoon, a sieve, a baking tray, a cooling rack and some oven gloves. Right, first of all, you need to make sure your oven is preheated to 180 degrees. Right, making sure my apron is on. I've washed my hands. Right then, so come over here. Let's see what equipment and ingredients we've got here. Okay, step 1, put your mixing bowl on your scales. Make sure it's on grams and it's on 0. And we're first of all going to mix together 100 grams of sugar and 100 grams of butter. Right, we've got 100 grams of sugar here. Okay. Next, 100 grams of butter. This will take it up to 200. Little bit more. There we go, 200. So that's 100 grams of sugar and 100 grams of butter. We're going to cream it together now. Ta-da! Sugar and butter creamed together. Okay, so we're going to whisk up 2 medium eggs. Okay. Now it might be a bit noisy here, so I will show you what they look like once they're whisked up. There we have 2 fluffy whisked eggs. Okay, in here what I have done is I've measured out 100 grams of plain flour, as I don't have any self-raising flour, and I've added 2 teaspoons of baking powder into it, and this will help turn the plain flour into self-raising flour and it will make your cake rise. So we've got that in there. We're also going to add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Okay. 1, 2. We aren't going to sieve. We're just going to go straight with it. So I'm adding a bit of orange essence here. Make it taste like chocolate orange. Yummy. First of all, add half of your egg mixture in. Mix it up. It will curdle and look like scrambled egg. Don't worry. It all works in the end. curdling is annoying you, then just add a tablespoon of your flour mixture. Okay, so this is where you would fold in the flour. So you're trying to incorporate into your mixture as much air as possible. Like I said, this mixture, you could even use it for some buns. If you didn't want to make a celebration cake, you could turn it into buns. So I'm going to cheat a bit here, and I'm actually going to use my whisk, so you might want to just stop. Okay, we're going to use this cake tin. We did think about that one, but I don't think there's going to be enough mixture in there. And what you can do with this, of course, is cut it in half to make like a sandwich cake. So, put your mixture in. Doesn't need to be flattened down. So if you start flattening it down, all the air comes out. You don't want. The person who's filming this is my son, and I can tell he's dying to eat this mixture. Right. There we go. Perfect. Ta-da! Alright, we're going to time it for 20 minutes. There we go. And then we're going to check that it's cooked. See you in a bit. Okay, so it's just come out of the oven now, but I can tell it is done. Woohoo! So I'm going to lift this out of the tin and leave it to cool. When it's cooled, I'm going to cut it in half and put some icing in it. Yum yum. Right, enjoy.